Hi guys, Connor here from Lancaster Automart, part of the Cox Motor Group. Got this stunning BMW 140i, so this is 3 litre, plenty of power, sounds epic, rear wheel drive, stunning colour combo, black, dark grey alloys and silver wing mirrors. Condition is great all round, so as you can see from the back, really is a nice bit of kit. So you've got really good boot space as well, and it's full leather inside, so full leather seats, and then the front is just as nice with a nice blue line going across. Let's get inside. So it tells you your weather, average 30 miles to the gallon. It's pretty impressive really. There's some map. Got your sat nav, you've got your front and rear sensors, and then there's 25,986 miles. The mileage may go up a little bit as one of the directors is using it at the minute, not going too much in it. You've got your cruise control, you've got your volume, wiper blades, indicator stalk, your automatic headlights, your controls for the wing mirrors and windows. Obviously in this you've got Sport Plus, what's turn the traction off, just be careful, Comfort and Eco Pro, and obviously Drive is there, all your controls, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, and then for your service history, it's been serviced by BMW, there we go, on the 18,824 miles, so we will service it as well. So there we go, cheers guys, see you soon.